Hello and welcome to Someka Family Tree Google Sheets template. Before diving into the details of the template, let me first create my own copy from here so that I can freely work on my own copy, which we also recommend you to do when you receive the links from Someka. Okay, so this is basically a family tree generator with your own data, and you can analyze and see the results in a nice family tree view already in Google Sheets. Okay, so you basically write your name. Let's write a test name here, and I'm going to write someone just as an example, and I'm going to choose my parent. Let's see someone here, and let's say Peter Phillips, Autumn Phillips. Okay, I'm going to choose Peter Phillips. So the family also adds our own test person into the family tree as well. And this is a dynamic product. When you make your data input here, all the data are going to be automatically transferred into the family tree. And you can also make some export it as a PDF or whatever you like. Let's also talk about a little bit about chat settings here. So the first one I want to mention is if I, for example, test name 2, and let's say that someone 2, if I say that, for example, my parent is test name 1, okay, and if I choose the parent of test name 1 as test name 2, so basically this doesn't make sense. So it creates a circular reference, and it's not going to happen, or it's not going to be displayed in our family tree. So the one thing I wanted to mention is this one, and the other one is, for example, sections show and hide. We are hiding the extra section here, so show suppose. If I hide it, they are not going to appear here, so they are, as you see, are being reflected automatically to the family tree. And I can also change I say OK here, and it changes our family tree structure. So this is basically it. And it is quite complicated to build these kind of stuff in Google Sheets. If you prefer online tools like this, Google Sheets is a perfect candidate. But also, if you want more details, we can also recommend you may want to check our Excel automatic family tree maker, which has a little bit more configurations, and the things you can do here is a little bit more than the Google Sheets version, but both is working fine, and you can get your family tree prepared as soon as you make your data input here. Okay, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates from someka.net.